Hello YouTube, this is John, and in this video I'm showing you the final process of how we do the carpets. And in our case here we have the Mercedes-Benz CLS 350, as you can see here. So the carpets are done, and this is how it looks like. The only thing that is remaining is to put back the seat, and also we are working on the roof, but we have done the carpets, and this is how it looks like down. I'm using the iPad, so if the quality is not coming out very well, but this is how it looks like. Looks very neat, and this is custom built to your needs. So we have it up to this side, then this side the same, plus the driver's side. As you have seen the previous videos, the driver's side is very nice and has the small plastic on it. And these are some of the carpets. So I'm going to put them back, but this is how our carpet looks like after it has been done at Jvsp Car Interior Designers. Yes, this is it. Mercedes-Benz. So you can see the center console. So this is how our carpet looks like up to the bottom. We also have this side, the driver's side. So this is the carpet, the driver's side. And this is the process. Mercedes-Benz. Our carpets done. So if I come this side, so if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.